So dinner tonight was whatever was in the kitchen. And so I did have some drumsticks. I went to TikTok for fried chicken recipe. And so I found this cute little lady with like a Popeyes recipe and I did it. So here's the recipe. I did it to the best of my ability. I did have my grease too high, so a lot of my chicken looks burnt. The last batch was the lightest because I didn't realize, that I was cooking it burnt or I was having the grease too high. So anyhow, I hope y'all like it. I will link her video, the TikTok video, in the comments. So y'all be sure to check it out. Excuse my hair. I'll be doing it tonight. It's been a while. I've been wrapping it this week. So anyways, toodles. All right, y'all. So here I am mixing all of my seasonings with the flour, baking powder, the first ingredients that I used, plus, of course, the 2 cups of flour. But I had seen someone in the comments saying baking flour is where it's at when you frying chicken. So that was cool. Paprika. Mix, mix, mix. And then she used Sazon seasoning, if I'm saying that right, but I didn't have that, so I used this Louisiana Cajun seasoning that I had and I hardly use, so that's what I went with. That's onion powder. All right, so now I'm doing my egg mixture, which contains 4 eggs and some hot sauce. And cold water as well for the egg mixture. 4 eggs. I use Louisiana and Texas Pete hot sauce. I prefer Texas Pete. My husband likes Louisiana. Okay, so here I am seasoning chicken in a bowl. Y'all don't laugh at me. It was late. I was just trying to cook some real quick. Yep. I'm about to season this chicken in a bowl. So basically that's what you're gonna do, according to the recipe, is make sure your chicken, your clean chicken is seasoned. And then you're going to put it in the flour, dip it in the flour, then dip it in the egg mixture, then dip it back in the flour and let it rest on your cookie sheet for about 10 minutes. Yep. Fried chicken, y'all. I have been struggling with the fried chicken thing. I was actually trying to use wheat flour because that's the flour that we normally use. And it was just looking weird, but hopefully I got me a new fried chicken recipe. See, there it is. Let it rest. And then I also made some green beans and green beans. I'm getting ready to cut up an onion for my green beans. I used to have this little song with my little cousin when she was a baby called Green Beans, Green Beans. She used to like green beans when she was a baby. And surprisingly, my baby daughter, she ate her green beans too when we ate dinner this night. Praise the Lord for that. They was good. I use this perfect seasoning by Goya. That's really good. It has like a green top. My mother-in-law put me on it. And it definitely helps your vegetables be good. Not pictured, but I'm sure y'all can find it. And then here we have my little, well, my big boy. But he's still a little playing in the camera. So I thought I added this for your entertainment. Silly. And of course, that's my husband, aka the best dad ever. That's my first fried chicken. And oh yeah, I was showing y'all where I burnt myself trying to get the chicken out of the fire pan. And guess what? I was trying to get that chicken out with a spoon. That's not smart, but I was. And so I basically scooped the grease onto my thumb. So I had to put some Neosporin on there. Then this is my plate. So what I did was I made baked potatoes for us, and then I made the kids French fries. So that's why you saw me cutting up that potato. But yeah, it was delicious. Please make sure y'all like and subscribe. It is free to subscribe to my channel. Let's go. And if you want me to follow you, just put it in the comments. I got you.